Hi there, I'm Christopher Dunn again. This is HandmadeInVermont.com. Today we're talking about the Hubbardton Forge Lyric Pendant. This is going to be the 7 light. This is the 131162. Also other Lyric fixtures as well as a really nice wall sconce that would go with this really well. So check it out. Let's get into the size of the fixture itself. 43.4 inches tall, 52 inches wide. Depth is 17.6. So the overall height, that's the distance from the very bottom of the fixture to the ceiling. It's going to give you a pretty good range. You've got two actually, and they're going to start off at 50 inches overall height to begin with. And remember, we're always talking about the bottom of the fixture to the ceiling, encompassing those cables. So the first one, the standard, is going to be 50 to 150 inches, and the second one is going to be 50 inches to 200 inches. If you need yours to be longer than 200 inches, drop me a quick email, tell me what you're looking for. Say you're looking at the 131162, tell me the overall height you're trying to achieve, and we can go pretty long. We can get you down from a 2-story ceiling quite easily. Canopy up on the ceiling is going to be 44.5 by 8.5 inches deep. And the thickness of it is about 2.5 inches. It's going to have a driver in it for the LEDs down below, and we'll talk about that a little bit too. So total weight is coming in at 54.3 pounds. I want to show you a little bit more information about all this, and how we're going to do it is to take a quick peek at the installations instructions now. So if you're on the page for this on Handmade in Vermont, look over on that side of the screen. Midway down you're going to see a link. It's going to say click here for installations instructions PDF. So open that up for me. It's going to show you a full parts list, how it goes together, which is very simple. It's going to show you some good line drawings of the canopy up on the ceiling, how it goes over your 4-inch junction box, but there's other places on that canopy to attach it to your ceiling. You'll want to take that diagram, those install instructions with those great line drawings, shoot a copy of that over to your installer so they get a chance to see this well before you order it. It's always a good idea. Okay. Let's see. A quick thing about the canopy. When you're looking at this, and when it says choose your finish for choosing the finish for the fixture, it's going to be the overall fixture. However, the canopy, the can part that touches the ceiling, is always going to be in black, and the faceplate, the bottom part that faces down, will be in the choose your finish. So that's a little thing to think about there. Slope ceiling adaptable already to 45 degrees, so you're okay there. And the glass on it is 4.8 inches in diameter by 8.7 inches high. It's a beautiful teardrop, hand-blown piece of glass. Hubbardton Forge does not skimp on glass. They do a really nice job. Let's get into what you can get out of this as far as light goes. So you've got 7 of these sockets, and they're G4 sockets. They're very small. They take a bulb that has 2 little prongs that go up like this. So you're not going to be doing any halogens in this. It's strictly going to be dedicated LED from those little G4 LEDs. You're going to be using a 4-watt LED in each of these 7 sockets. So that's about the equivalent of a 40-watt bulb. So don't forget, you've got 7 of these, so it's going to provide quite a bit of light. It's a dimmable fixture. You're going to make sure that you get a dimmable version of that bulb when you go out. Probably the easiest place to find that bulb is going to be one of the light bulb websites. So it could be Amazon, it could be 1001 Bulbs, justbulbs.com, any of those things. You're going to be offered that bulb in lots of different ways. So when you're out there scouting around, just remember, they're going to offer it to you in 2700 Kelvin. That is a super yellow light, like a setting sun, which could be actually very pretty on this if you're doing like a story over a dining room table. I think that might be nice, because you'll be able to dim it down to be almost like candlelight. But be careful, they're also going to offer this to you in something called daylight. Daylight is that bluish white light, like an overcast day or convenience store. That is 4000 Kelvin. I'm not so crazy about that one. What we use in our showroom is warm white, soft white, 3000 Kelvin. So you'll be able to get that too. So there's 3 things you'll be able to do. And like I said, it's a dimmable fixture, so get a dimmable bulb for it. And then if you want to see what this is going to look like in your room, doesn't matter if you're doing a commercial job or this is just for your own house, send us an image of that and we can take our powerful AI tools, take this fixture, put it in there, send you back that image with it in, so you can see what it's going to look like in your room before you ever buy it. It's a great opportunity to get a free full color rendering, so I totally think you should do that. Let's get into metal finishes now. If you are on the HandmadeInVermont.com website, look over in the red tabs with the pictures in them over there. You're going to see a Finishes Help Guide tab. Open that up for me. It's going to be a video there of me talking to you guys about the differences in Hubbardton Forge finishes, how they can look on different types of forging. I'm going to be referencing a chart just down below. So scroll down a little bit. You're going to see a chart. You can click on that chart. So you can click on dark smoke. You can click on soft gold. Doesn't matter. Big page will pop up showing you lots of different things in that finish. you can go back to the chart and you'll notice there's letters A's on them, letter B's on some of those things, and that's going to be showing you this range of variants that you can expect to see on different translucent finishes, but I'll talk about all of that in the video, okay? Okay, showroom. Our showroom in Vermont has over 400 Hubbardton Forge fixtures. This is the biggest showroom in the world of Hubbardton Forge. No other showroom is like this. Hubbardton Forge doesn't even have their own showroom. They use this one. What's on display? We have a great tab on that. And those same red tabs, you're going to see a what's on display page. So open that up. It's going to show you everything we have on display, and including which finish, which shade, all of those things, and what kind of glass it's on there. We're open every day except Sunday, 11 to 6. I'm here every day except Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. We also have an amazing clearance center. Clearance center stuff is 75% off MSRP. It's returns, discontinued stuff, showroom samples. You have to come here to use it. Can't call us or email us about it, but it's definitely worth coming in to look at if you're in Vermont. Plus you want to use the showroom anyway because there's just so much great stuff here to see. Our number in Vermont, 802-446-2400. You can email us 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Love to answer emails, and it's sales@HandmadeInVermont.com. So when you order from HandmadeInVermont.com, shipping is going to be free to every state except Alaska and Hawaii. No tax if we ship out of the state of Vermont. And we're the only dealer with 90-day returns, no restocking fee. Nobody else does that. Some larger items are going to be non-returnable. It's going to be really important that you are looking at the fixture on that page and kind of scroll down under the description. It'll tell you if that is the case. And that's usually for really big, giant, huge fixtures, mostly that go out on pallets. Okay, that's it. Rush program. Let's talk about that. So rush program, Hubbardton Forge generally takes about 3 to 4 weeks to go out the door. That's production time before your transit time. You always have to add that on too. We offer a rush program that takes you from that 3 to 4 weeks down to a little under 2 weeks. It's a very small addition per line item. So if you have like 1, 2, 3 items, like let's say 3 or 4 outdoor sconces, and they're all the same size and they're all the same finish, that's one line item. So it's very inexpensive to rush those kind of things. Don't be afraid to email us and ask about that. Okay, so that's really it. If you guys have any other questions, let us know. We would love to see you in our showroom sometime. And thanks for stopping in.